types of videos are catching everyone's attention. Some have 144 million views. Others have 65 million views. These are short videos, so you can post them on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. If you want updates about every new YouTube niche, join my free community. Let me show you how to create them. Step 1. You need a YouTube channel or TikTok account. You can get a monetized TikTok account or a monetized or aged YouTube channel. Step 2. We need to generate images. The easy and fast way is to go to any competitor channel, play its video, and take a screenshot of it. Then go to Google's Gemini. Upload the screenshot. Copy the prompt you'll get in the description. Ask Gemini for the cartoon character you want, like Mickey Mouse, and paste the prompt. The good thing about Gemini is that it knows all the characters, so only mentioning the name is enough. Here it is, a quick image is ready. The second method is a bit more complicated, and we'll use Google Whisk. First, search for Mickey Mouse PNG. PNG means transparent background. Find a 3D transparent image from here and download it. Open Whisk. On the left side, in Subject, upload the image of Mickey Mouse. Then in the document, you'll get 5 image prompts. Copy the first prompt and paste it into Whisk. Then go back to Prompts and copy the master prompt. Use this prompt along with the image prompt. Then change the ratio to 9:16. The images are generated. In the same way, use the other 4 prompts and generate other images. Once generated, download all the images. Step 3. Now we need to convert those images into videos. I'll tell you both paid and free tools. The paid tool is Veo 3. I suggest OpenArt because you can use all the popular AI tools in one place. Go to Video, then Image to Video. In models, almost every powerful model is available, but we need Veo 3. Upload the first image as start frame and upload the second image as end frame. Then copy the video prompt, which is specifically made for Veo 3. Switch resolution to 1080p, ratio to 9:16, and duration to 8 seconds. You can also use Veo 3 in Flow if you have Google AI Pro, or you can join my community to get Veo 3. For free tools, we have Meta AI and Grok AI. In Meta AI, go to Create, switch from image to video, and upload the image. Then go to the document, and you'll find Critical Subject Rule. Copy it and use it also. You'll get a 5-second video without sound. Also, it is not perfect. The cartoon should not be moving. In Veo 3 videos, it's still and not moving. In Grok, go to Imagine. First paste the prompt, then upload the image, because it starts generating automatically. Grok generates a 6-second video and also includes sound in the video. In the same way, generate all the videos. That's it. Now you know how to create viral cartoon videos. Join my free community to chat with me, get new niches and tools, and get Veo 3 and courses in paid community.